This P0460 repairing video is dedicated to Kia's drivers. If your Kia is getting a P0460 error code, this video is going to show you one practical solution to fix the error code at home. Use the Zeus app to scan your vehicle and see the error code P0460. This code is set when the PCM detects a signal from the fuel level sender unit that indicates a fuel level that exceeds the fuel tank's capacity. Here is one of the most practical solutions to fix Kia's P0460 error code.
Method A, the fuel level sensor. The fuel level sensor is usually located in the fuel tank or attached to the fuel pump carrier bracket. First, carefully remove the fuel level sensor from your vehicle. Visually check the fuel level sensor's float, sliding contact, wires, and electrical connections for any damages. Use a multimeter to proceed a resistance test on the fuel level sensor. The resistance reading should be different between when empty and when full. Check your owner's manual for the standard range. If your reading doesn't match the owner's manual, then the fuel level sensor should be replaced.
So here is one of the most practical solutions to fix Kia's P0460 error code.
After the repair, you can now use the Zeus app to clear the error code. And tap the rescan button one more time to make sure everything is fine with your vehicle.